Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to share this amazing recipe with you today. Juicy blueberry and mango filling topped with nice crumble. It's so good. Now let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is make the crust. Over here I've got my sugar, almond and unsalted butter. All we're gonna do here is just squash it all together and knead it in your hands until you get nice thicker crumbs just like so. And we're gonna set this aside for later. Next, we're gonna add blueberries and mangoes. I'm using frozen one. You can also use more blueberries if you wanted to. And then go ahead and add your sugar and vanilla extract. Over here, I've got my chia seeds. I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of water between these two. We're gonna soak our chia seeds to make sure they puff up. And in my second glass, I have some cornstarch with water. I'm gonna mix this through as well so there are no lumps. This will help us solidify our fruity filling. Now we're gonna cook our berries for 5 to 7 minutes on low temperature until they fully are defrosted. And if you're using fresh, then your cooking time might be much shorter. Don't want to mix too much the mangoes with blueberries because we still want to maintain our beautiful color. Once the blueberries and mango has completely softened, we're going to go ahead and add our cornstarch with water and mix it through. And then we're going to cook this on low to medium heat for further 2 to 3 minutes until it solidifies and becomes more like jam. Lastly, once your chia seeds have bloomed, you're going to go ahead and add your chia seeds right inside and mix everything together. Your chia seeds should also be nice and sticky and act as a gel between your fruit. Mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. And basically our delicious mango and blueberry filling is done. Look how gorgeous it looks. Absolutely amazing. I just love the bursts of mango with the blueberry. It's such a nice surprise in your pie. Now we're gonna make our crust. Over here I've got my ground almonds, butter, eggs and sugar. Add your ground almonds, butter and sugar together with salt in a food processor with your egg and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. We're going to blitz this until it becomes nice and crummy pastry. We're going to blitz this until it becomes nice and smooth pastry. Just for a couple of seconds. It shouldn't take more than 30 to 60 seconds. Once you see that the bowl is starting to roll up just like so, your pastry is done. Then go ahead, take your crust, place it onto your counter and gently collect all the mixture together. You can use your hands and knead the dough as quickly as you can. The dough will become softer from your hands, so you want to work quickly. It should look just like this. It's quite pileable and easy to work with. Take your pre-pared tin. I'm using 18 centimeters, which is 7-inch with removable bottom. You can use any tray or pan that you like. I'm going to spray it with some cooking oil. You can also use butter. And then add your pastry right inside. And then spread it around the sides and the corners, making sure there is a bit of a line at the top so that you can put your filling inside and it doesn't fall out. Once your crust is filled, it should look just like this, nice and even and beautiful. You can also make mini keto blueberry pies if you wanted to by creating mini cases in the muffin tins. Now you're going to take your fork and prick the pastry just at the bottom all the way, just like so. This will help the pastry not to lift up while it's baking. You're then going to transfer it into your preheated oven and bake this until it's done. All the recipe and measurements will be in our website, in the membership. Once it's done, you're going to take it out and you're going to leave it to cool down. You're going to take it out and then you're going to add your delicious blueberry mango filling. Spread it all out nice and even. Just look how gorgeous it looks. The color is absolutely amazing. You're then going to take your prepared crumbs and sprinkle it all top of your crust. And then you're going to sprinkle it on top of your filling. And we're going to bake it for further 5 minutes or so until it's nice and golden. The final blueberry keto pie is going to look like this. It looks so amazing already. But to make it look even better, we're going to add some mangoes on top. Look how beautiful it is. Let's dig in and I'll show you. This pie is absolutely stunning. It's just so delicious. So much filling inside. Such a thin short crust pastry. It's very low carb and perfect for those who are watching their carbs, and absolutely amazing. I just love it so much. Such a good combination of crispy, delicious, juicy fruit. I hope you enjoy this pie and I can't wait to see yours.